Welcome to the first video of section 3. In section 3, we are going to play around and hack around with an LED. We are also going to take a look at breadboard and resistors. So let's begin. We are going to create a simple project with a LED and also create a project where we'll be pressing a button and LED will start blinking. We'll understand the code behind it and in detail learn about LEDs in this video. The section is divided into 6 chapters. First chapter is the introduction video that you are watching. Second chapter is all about resistors, where we will be learning how resistors work, how resistors are made, and what are the types of resistors. In the third chapter, we are going to talk about breadboard. Since breadboard is an important concept that you want to learn, please pay attention on the third video of the section. In the fourth section, we are actually going to play around with an LED, and this will be our first project. We are going to create a simple LED project with ESP8266. In the fifth section, it will be a bit complicated because we are going to discuss the pin diagram or the pin configuration of ESP8266 chipset. Please do not worry, I'll be guiding you throughout the videos, and in the last lecture, we are going to talk about the quiz for module 3, which will judge you on the things that you have learned. If we talk about the requirements for this section, we only need 3 things for the section. Throughout the section, that is for all the 6 videos, we will need one 100 ohm resistor, one LED, and one ESP8266 chipset. It can be a node MCU. If you want to buy any of these, you can check the links provided and get the whole kit for yourself. Let's move forward. Happy learning. Search Priyangada on Google and get a free certification included with the course. Thank you. Shesha.